Hey, what's up? In this video, we're going to review the Xbox Series 2 Elite Controller Halo Edition, I guess, because that's the one I have. Yeah, so basically, this is a long-term review. I've been using these controllers forever. I have all the generations, and I know a lot about them. So, I'm going to tell you what's wrong with them, what Xbox could do better to improve these, or Microsoft, or whoever makes these. Call me. I'll tell you what's wrong with them, and I'll tell you what's amazing about them and why I still use them. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, first of all, who designed the paddles on the back? Like, it's a good design, but man, are they weak. And a guy like me that plays Rocket League intensely with these, the first thing to go is the bottom left paddle. I just lose all the spring. And to change this back plate here, it's crazy. You gotta like buy a new controller or wait 3 weeks to get this back plate replaced to get a better paddle. So Xbox, fix that. Everything else, it's amazing. I'm just saying. So we all know that I use this controller for Rocket League gameplay. So the next video that I'm probably going to make is the keybind video for the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller for Rocket League, my setup basically. So now let's talk about the good stuff about this controller. This controller is insane. The fact that I can have so many inputs gives me so many options to play Rocket League. The grips on this thing just feel awesome. The controller has a good weight and it just sits in your hand and it just feels awesome. Things you could do with this controller are pretty insane. You can map any button to any paddle. There's so many things you could adjust on this controller using the Xbox Accessories app. Left stick, right stick, trigger sensitivity. Pretty cool controller, I can't lie. You can basically extend any button you want with the paddles on the back. So if you aren't comfortable with Y being in the Y position, you can change it to a paddle. I don't think I'm ever going to change controller, so please, Microsoft, fix the bottom left paddles. I mean, make it so we can at least change the back plate really easily. It's just an awesome controller. I have the Halo edition, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Joey. See you guys next time. Peace out.